Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to split screen on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you have the Samsung A54 5G in the H series and I want to split your screen using multiple applications on the screen at the same time, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the application you want to use. Open one of the applications. Once opened, close the application. Now go ahead and open all recent. Click on the app logo, then locate and click on Open in Split Screen View. Once you click on that, you'll see the split screen. Now I can now go ahead and open other application you want to use. So this is my phone app. So you can also exit the split screen by clicking on the line in between. So either use to adjust it like this or close the split screen. So that's exactly how to use split screen on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.